In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your Facebook video history. So first, let's open the Facebook application. And then let's tap on the menu button, which is the three horizontal lines at the right. Swipe down, go to Settings and Privacy, tap Settings, and then just go to Account, and then go to your Facebook information category, tap on Activity Log, and then tap on Filters, Categories, and then Logged Actions and Other Activity. Go to Videos You've Watched. And there you go. That is how you see your Facebook video history. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.